In this video, we will install the Firebase tools. We will use the Firebase command line interface CLI tools for creating a project and deploying it to Firebase. To install the Firebase CLI, type in the terminal npm install firebase -tools global flag. Press enter. Okay, we successfully installed the Firebase tools. After successful installation, we should log in to Firebase account. Type Firebase login. Firebase login. Type no. You will see this link. You need to copy it to the browser and choose an account to continue to Firebase CLI. You will be asked to provide the access to your Google account, and you should allow this access. If the Firebase CLI login was successful, you will see the next message, success. I was logged in under my Google account.